This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bell peppers and onions. Begin by washing your produce thoroughly under cool water, ensuring they are clean. For bell peppers, remove the stem, seeds, and any white pith, then slice them into 1/4 inch strips. Peel your onions, then cut them into similar 1/4 inch thick half-moon or strip pieces for even cooking. Proper preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Start by placing a large skillet or frying pan on your stovetop, setting the heat to medium. Once the pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or a similar high smoke point oil, ensuring it coats the bottom. Now, carefully add your sliced onions to the pan, spreading them into a single layer. Let the onions cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing them to begin softening before moving to the next step. Once your onions have become slightly translucent and fragrant, it is time to add the sliced bell peppers to the pan. Combine them well with the onions, stirring frequently to ensure every piece cooks evenly. Continue to cook, stirring every 1 or 2 minutes for about 5 to 7 minutes. Season the vegetables with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper at this stage to enhance their natural flavors. Cook the bell peppers and onions for an additional 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how tender you prefer them. For a sweeter flavor, allow some pieces to develop a slight caramelization, adding a rich, savory depth. If you notice any brown bits sticking to the bottom of the pan, you can add about 1 tablespoon of water or vegetable broth. Stirring this in will deglaze the pan, incorporating those delicious flavors back into your vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.